Hello dear students, Namaskar. I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School Shivpuri and I welcome you to watch my channel. You know very well that thing we are learning something new in every and each day. So in this series we are going to understand some new words. We are going to learn some new words. There are very important words that will increase your vocab power, word power. So some new words are without wasting. We are going to start that thing. Okay. So first word. Okay. Listen. First word. Abandon. I am writing on the paper. You can. Okay. So abandon. Abandon means to give up, to leave forever. You can see here, abandon. This is a word, abandon. Abandon means to leave, give up. Tyagna you say. Means to give up. Meaning of this word is to give up. To give up, you can see here. Meaning of abandon is to give up. Means to leave anything else forever. That is called abandon. Now come to the next word. Next word you can say abbreviate. So abbreviate you can learn. Abbreviate means to shorten. Abbreviate means to shorten or to make so short. You can watch here. Abbreviate means to make so small or short. Okay, it means to remove unwanted things from the long things. You can see, suppose there is a great or long answer of any question, so you can select very interesting and theme or abstraction and you can write, and unwanted things you can give up, and that is called shorten or abbreviation. Okay, next word means word number 3. These are very interesting words for all the students. Learn all the meanings, because meanings are very compulsory. Without meanings you cannot learn English language. You can't imagine, not to talk of learning so fluency of English. You cannot learn even write or read without learning vocab, without learning new words, really. Okay, now let us study or come to now point number 3. Word number 3, you can ability, you know, you have listened many times but you don't know meaning. Ability you can write. Ability means you can say that the ability means capacity of doing any work. Capacity of doing work. You can see here. Okay, so this is very interesting for you. Learn this word. This word is mostly used or commonly used in daily. Okay, so next word you can learn 4 means you can learn abnormal. Means you have listened to the word normal so many times, you have listened. So the opposite of normal. Normal means so general or common. Okay, and opposite of normal, abnormal. Opposite means abnormal. Means so he is not so common man. For example, you can see, or in other words you can say extraordinary. Okay, so you can see here abnormal. Abnormal is equal to uncommon. You also you can see uncommon, uncommon or extraordinary. You can say extraordinary. Okay, so you can see here this word. You can see abnormal. It means uncommon word or extraordinary. Okay, so these are very interesting word for you. I am trying to make you learn some interesting words which are very essential to speak English language. Without learning different kinds of words, you cannot speak English language well. Come to the next word, abroad. Abroad means foreign. You can say abroad means foreign or foreign means the other land of the country. Means other land, other countries in land. You can see that other country. You see, so foreign means abroad. Now come to the next word, absence. You have listened many times, but you don't know clearly. Absence. Absence means noun of absent. You can see that. Absent means not presence. Not presence. Not presence. Okay? Not presence. It means this is a noun of absent. Absent means absent is adjective. Means a person who is absent, that is called absent. Okay? So absent also related to absence. So absent is person who is not present at this time. So it is called adjective. Okay? Now come to the next word. Absolute, you have listened many times. Absolutely, you are right. You are working hard. Absolutely, you are right. So absolutely word you have listened many times. So absolute word is you can learn with the help of absolutely. Absolute means totally. Absolute means complete. Absolutely or absolutely or absolute means होता completely. Okay, absolutely means completely. So learn all the meanings. Meanings are compulsory. Never forget them. If you ignore meanings or different kinds of the interesting words which are used in our daily life, if you ignore them, I am saying you again and again, if you ignore interesting words, it means you are leaving your opportunity. You are missing your opportunity or chance to learn how to speak English language. Now come to the next word. Absorb. Many times you have listened in science. Absorb. Absorb means to suck. For example, we pour water on the floor or you can say in soil. The water is absorbed by soil. Okay? So that is called absorb means to suck. Okay? So absorb means or to engage the wholly, you can say that. Suck into, you can suck into. Absorb, you know. Now come to the next word. That is a very interesting word for you. I am collecting these words from dictionaries or different kinds of books. These words will increase your power or it will increase your capacity of learning and speaking also, both. And abstract you can. Abstract means theme, you can say that theme, or you can say the main idea or central idea, you can see that central idea. Okay, so abstract or abstraction, you can say this is the abstraction. Yeah. Abstract means theme, or you can say that central idea of anything else. Okay, sometimes we write the central idea or theme of any poem, so that is called abstraction. Okay, and now come to the next point, accent, or accelerate academy. Okay, so abuse, sometimes abuse you learn. Abuse means to say something wrong with other persons. eh? Ab- abuse means to say something wrong. Okay, to say something wrong. You can say abuse means to say something wrong about anybody, so that is called abuse. Or you can say without, or you can unpolitely you say something to anybody, that is called abuse. Now come to the next word. These words are very essential for you, so I am teaching you. Always learn. Keep remember always these words forever, not for this time. Forever means learn these words forever, for always. Next word you can say accelerate. This word you have listened so many times because you drive bike also. So that is acceleration or accelerator. These words are used commonly when you are going to drive bike. Okay, so you can learn this meaning. Accelerate. Accelerate means to increase the speed. Okay, to increase or to make quick, you can say that. To make quick, और इन अदर वर्ड्स का है टू इंक्रीज स्पीड of bike or any car, anything. Okay, so you can say accelerate. For example, you accelerate your learning process. Accelerate your bike because we are going slow, very slow. So accelerate your bike. Accelerate your learning capacity. Accelerate your working capacity. So this is called accelerate. Okay, so this acceleration is noun, you can say. Acceleration means increment, you can see that. Next word you can learn accept. Accept means to permit or to approve. Accelerate. Accept. Accept means to grant, you can say to grant. To grant or to accept or to approve, you can see that. So this is very interesting. So learn, spelling also is before you, so you can learn and write. Take down all the words which are being taught here on the screen, so you can learn them. Okay, never forget, I told you many times, never forget learning meanings. Okay, and which meanings which kinds of meanings you have learned, you should revise them also, so you can keep remember them for long time, for always, you can see. Next word you can say accommodate. Accommodate, you listen. Accommodate. Accommodate means to provide shelter. To provide shelter. Okay, this is the word. Accommodate means to provide shelter means to give shelter, to give home, to give room, to protect yourself. Okay, so now come to the next word. These are very interesting words. Accompany, you have listened many times, but you don't know clearly the answer of this question or meaning of this question. So you can listen. Accompany. Accompany means to go with. To go with. This is the very interesting word for you. Learn this forever. And accompany means to go with, means to support other persons. Okay, so you can learn. Next word and last word of this video. Accordance. Accordance means according to. You have listened many times this word, and you have read also in your question answer. According to, you can say that Prime Minister, according to our writer. So you can write here according to, or you can say that agreement also you can say. Agreement, or in other words you can say accordance में to according to. Okay, according to. This is accordance means according to, or you can say that agreement. So these are 20 words. You should try to listen them. You should try to learn them. If you learn these words, means these words will accelerate your learning process. Okay, accordance, accompany, accordance, different kinds of words I have explained you. So you can listen them again and again. If you don't remember, listen video again and again. Okay, so there will be a time when you can learn them, and without force, without any accomplishment or without any effort, you can learn. So these words are very essential. I thought that these words are very essential for you to learn them, memorize them. You can keep these words in your heart and brain also, so that you, when you are going to deliver a lecture, when you are going to talk to your friends, you can memorize these words and you can use in your talking, in your sentences, in your communication. So these words will be remembered forever. So I hope you will like this video. I hope that it will be your word power will be increased after watching this video. Okay, so thank you to join with my VIP program Hello Improve to English. Okay, so thank you once more again to learn English language with KK.